Hi guys, good day to all. Okay, welcome back. Okay, we're going to discuss a question from a chapter circular measure, guys. Okay, we're going to discuss a question from a chapter circular measure. And this is a question from my module, question number 15 and from page 35, right? It's page 35. Okay, now guys, okay, let us talk about this question first. Let us read and try to understand. Kita baca sama-sama, kita cuba fahamkan dia. Okay. So when you go through the questions, bila you baca soalan ini, okay. So kita baca sama-sama. Okay, apa yang dia kata kat sini adalah, okay, the diagram below shows a plan of the swimming pool in a resort. Okay, the sector O, A, B, C, D, E. That means which one? Okay, this one. This is adult swimming pool. I put the word adults easy for you to understand. Okay, this is adult swimming pool, right? Adult swimming pool. Okay. And then P, A, E, F. PAFE, sorry, is a children's swimming pool. So this is for children. This is for children. And then what else they give you here? The place, okay. Okay, this is, they say quadrant. So quadrant means if I zoom it out, so this one should be 207, and this is 90, guys. And this one they already mentioned as a square. Okay, square, I put it aside later. So this is 270, I think should be fine for you guys. Okay, what else? Apa lagi dia bagi kita? Okay, tangent. Oh, dia ada bagi kita perkataan tangent. So if this is tangent means, I think you should understand tangent means 90 degree lah class. So jadi semua ni 90 degree lah, settle. Okay. So what else they give you here? Okay, this is the word. Dia dah guna perkataan square. Can you see now, right? The word square. So I think you understand, right? The word square. Okay, done. And after that, the square area is a reserved for placing the chair. Tempat ni dia nak guna untuk nak letak kerusi dan payung tempat ni. Kerusi dan payung. So they want to place a chair and umbrella over there. And the shaded region is a reflexology center. Yeah, they use the word reflexology site. Okay. Ini bagian ni. Yeah, settled, right? So I think you understand. Soalan dia. Okay. And only one information is given. Itu apa dia tahu? Dia bagi radius. So this radius is 7, you know. So this radius is 7. So I think this is the first only thing we have. The radius is 7. Okay, come. We're going to start with the first question. So they ask you to find the radius of the small circle inside there. Okay, fine. Give me a second, guys. I draw for you nicely here. Okay, I think you can see the circle I draw. Okay, then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take a different color. Okay, got it? Okay, guys, let's say we're going to put here as a R. Let's say we're going to put this as R. Radius, right? This is R. And this also should be R. And this also should be R. There is a small portion here, which is, we don't know the value. This small portion, this small portion, we don't know what's the value, right? So can I put as anything like, for example, X? Faham tak? Apa yang saya nak letak? Sebab tempat tu yang kecil ni, tempat ni. This portion. Ni, tempat ni kita tak tahu berapa nilai dia. Betul tak? So, can I put as X? Can I? Okay, what we understand that this is the entire thing is a radius, right? This entire thing is a radius, right, guys? So from here, what I can understand is R plus with the R plus with the X is equals to 7. Faham tak faham? This whole thing. This is a radius, right? So this is a radius, right? So R plus X is 7. So that means I have I going to just express x equals to 7 minus this is r plus r is 2r, right? 2r kalau pindah sebelah sana is going to be minus 2r, right? So faham sampai sini? So I think just keep this one as a side here. So saya nak ambil ini simpan dekat mana-mana tempat. Okay, I keep here. So this is our question A, right? So can I erase all this? I think you understand already, right? Huh? Where's the all this? Okay. So can you put it here? Okay, so keep aside. So r plus x equals to 7. So your x is 7 minus 2r. Keep aside. Okay, your second thing is, so I think, can you see this triangle? Can you see this triangle? Okay, this is right angle triangle, right? I think here should be a right angle because of the tangent, right? So you know right angle triangle. So from here, at this information, so this also r, right? So that means I'm going to use a Pythagoras theorem, guys. I'm going to use Pythagoras theorem, r square plus r square equals to r plus x square. Understand or not? This is a Pythagoras theorem from here. So this is r square plus r square equals to this. So this is r plus x square. Great. So what I'm going to do now, everything should be in the same terms, right? Easy for us. One variables. One variables means easy for us to solve. So the best part is we already have this one. So you can get and take substitute here so that the entire equation will be in r. Okay. So I'm going to have 2r square. And your x is 7 minus 2r. I think we're going to have a quadratic equation, guys. Okay. So guys, if I take and put in my calculator, I got decimals. So that means if you got decimals means what do you have to understand? If decimal means the question cannot be factorized, right? So your teacher will ask for the what do you call a method for you to solve a equation which is cannot be factorized. So do you remember the formula of quadratic equation? Okay, I'm going to put r here. Negative b, remember or not? Negative b. Then after that plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay. So I think after that, I think I don't want to use any solution there because I already mentioned how I'm going to solve the equation, right? So I'm going to use the calculator method to get the answer directly, guys. So 1, 14 and negative 49. So my first answer is 2.90. And my second answer is negative 16.90. Of course, and the answer should be, I think you should understand, right? What's the answer? Of course, the answer should be positive, right? R cannot be negative, so this one we ignore. So this is our answer class for the first. So wait, let me check. I'm going to take all this and put it here, easy for you to understand. Okay, or you want to make it more clear, you can put it this one as equation 1. And this one you can put as equation 2. Okay. So keep it all nicely for you. So this one just put a substitute 1 into 2. Okay, got it guys? Listen. So this is your answer for your question A. Done. 2.90. Okay, that means the entire R is 2.90. Hope that you can understand, guys. Hope that you can understand. Just go through again few times. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out all this R. So I'm going to put 2.90. Easy for me. Okay, the radius is 2.90. Got it? Okay. But this entire radius is, you have to remember this. So this radius is 7. Okay. So that means if you want to know about this, okay, never mind, I erase for you guys. Never mind, we can keep here. Okay, I'll take out this. Okay, because we know that the entire thing is 7, right? Okay, the entire thing's the radius is 7. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take 7 minus the 2.9. What are you going to get? You're going to get 4.1. You're going to get here 4.1. She also 4.1. 2.9. Got it, guys? Understand, right? Okay, keep aside all this. So now we're going. So I think I already settled for you this question A. So you hope you understand, guys, my solution. Okay. Now we go for next one. The perimeter in meter of the reflexology area. So that means, so they ask us to get this part. I show you which one, this part. This part, guys. And as you know, the red color line, that is the reflexology area. Okay. So I think I already have a few information ready with me, guys. Okay, this one is 4.10 half, here 4.10 half. Okay, this one is the S for the big sector. This is S, S for the big sector. And this is another S for the small sector. Understand? Okay, what we're going to do now. Okay. For the small sector, right? Sorry, for the big sector. Okay, for the big sector, this one is a 90 here. Can you see a 90 here? This is 90. Okay, this is 90. So what I'm going to do for question B, right? I want to change the 90 to 100 to radian. 90 over 180 times with the pi. Okay, is that pi is given here anywhere? No. Okay, no problem. So you want to use the pi, okay? So you want to use in pi also can. So it's 102 pi. So later we can see la class. Later we can see the pi with the value. Okay, this is a 102 pi. And inside here, guys, inside here is a 270, Okay, this is a 270. Also, we can get it for is 270 over 180 times with the pi. That means this one will be 302. Okay. So what I'm going to do now to get the perimeter. Okay, we have this part 4.10, here also 4.10. So we terus darab dua lah class, don't need to waste our time. So 2 times 4.10, 2 times 4.10, right? Ready? Plus the S of this one. Can I put as a BD? So this is, I call it BD, plus another S of this one. This one, can I say is a FE? Right, this is FE lah. Or we can use a sorry, not FE, sorry, AFE also can lah. Up to you guys. AFE. Faham tak? Okay. So this is our supposed to be our perimeter. So I think this formula, I think everybody knows, right? S equals to R theta. Okay. This is the formula of S equals to R theta. Understand? So I'm going to use this formula. As R, the big sector, R is 7. R theta, you know, R theta. Just R theta only. R times the theta. R is radius, theta is the angle. So ini untuk sektor yang besar. Sektor besar dia 90, this one. 90. So 102 pi. So this also another things, guys. This is also same. S equals to R theta. R theta. R is for the small sector, you know, small sector is R is 2.90. And the theta for the small sector is 302 pi. Okay. So I will get an answer directly. So I put 8.2. Okay, done. 32.86. Okay, this is your answer, class. Settle. Got it? Done. So are you there, guys? Okay, done. Okay, hope that you can understand my solution. Try to go through again a few times to understand the question. Okay, your next one is they ask you to get the area of the shadow region. Okay, if you go through here, the area of shadow region is the big sector. This is your big sector, right? Wait, I show you in this one. So can you see this is a big sector, right? Okay, this is a big sector, right? Okay, inside this big sector, actually we have this part is what do you call a 3/4 quadrant, right? Nampak tak ni? So then you minus out this square. You understand what is happening there. So the big sector, sector yang besar tu, ni sector yang besar. Cari luar sector yang besar. Tolak sebelah sini. Ini adalah sektor yang satu lagi yang 270 itu tolak dengan square ni pun boleh tolak. I rasa semua maklumat you sudah ada dah. Just apply inside the formula. Okay, come we try and see. So for question C, right? So I try to draw for you guys if you can understand. Normally, guys, I will prefer to draw. Sometimes drawing is better better visual, guys. The drawing is actually a good visual for us. Okay, so this is a sector. Okay, this is a sector. This is a sector with a 90-degree, right? After that, you need to minus out. Sorry. Got it? Understand? So this is your idea. Okay, so I think I have the, you know, right, the formula of area? Half r square theta. This is your formula. Half r square theta. Okay, got it, guys? Okay, half. Okay, and this one is a big sector, you know, big sector. The radius is 7. And the theta is 90, you know, 90 is 102 pi. Okay. Minus. Minus. So this one is a small sector. Half r square is a 2.9, just now, right? 2.90. The theta is 270 means 302. Got it? And wait, I think I need to squeeze all this further. Okay, after that, this guy is actually this one. This small set square. So that's a 2.9 times with the 2.9, right? So 2.9, 2.9 is a square, right? So that means 2.9 times with 2.9. Boleh tak saya tulis 2.9 square? Sama juga kan? 2.90 kena darab dengan 2.90. Boleh tak saya tulis square? So I'm going to put everything inside the calculator to get the answer. Guys, if the questions already give you the value of the pi, so make sure you use the pi given inside from the question. Okay, for example, normally the question will give you a 2.9, 3.142. Just use it, whatever value they're given. Faham? So kalau dia tak bagi, you boleh guna pi daripada calculator lah. Should be no problem. 102 r square minus 2.9 square. So I think this is the value that I managed to get. 26. I don't know. Oh, it's actually everything meter, guys. Meter. It's actually dealing with the meter. If I put centimeter, sorry, it's supposed to be meter square. So here, it's not centimeter, it's supposed to be meter. Meter. Now, this one also should be 2.9 meter lah. Okay. So this is your entire answer, class, for this question. So go through one more time. Okay. I think that's all for this question, class. Thank you. Guys, listen one more time. If you have any doubt, go through few times the video so that you can get a clear picture. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.